So common assumptions in AV product development that look reasonable early on but cause problems later. In this regard, something that we see a lot of is that vector design and lead candidate selection too frequently focus only on efficacy and proof of concept. So these are obviously really critical components of the product, but developers often don't give consideration to the impact that vector design itself can have on manufacturability and product quality, and this can be quite significant. So examples here include constructs with suboptimal packaging capacity within the AAV capsid, or maybe if people are using self-complementary AAV vectors. Either or both of these can result in lower yields in a standard manufacturing platform, but also, more importantly, both of these can create products that contain higher impurities like partial or empty capsids. And these capsid impurities specifically are a potential safety risk for patients. But not only that, they can be very challenging for the manufacturing team to remove them by optimization of the process alone. And this may require a complete redesign of the vector, which means additional cost and an impact on development timeline.